All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Still on the matter, Yoruba nation not going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yes, my brother, my sister, I know a lot of things have been said. We have overflogged many things. As far as this country is concerned, my brother, my sister, we have all seen it, the way it is coming and then the way it is happening. Right now, another strong one reaching us has been that some Yoruba youth have been have apprehended some killer S-men, kidnappers. My brother, my sister, this is so serious. Well, onto this one, what me I just have to say about this, I am not so much happy with what actually happened in the end. As soon as these people were arrested, it was gathered that they now sent them, they reported them to the Nigerian police, the same Nigerian police that we already know will not take action. This is so bad. And right now, I think the level to which we are right now, we all need to wake up. We all need to wake up. It is no longer funny. I was telling you the other time that Atiku, on his own part, after everything that actually happened about Bola Ahmed Tinubu not meeting with the 25%. Now, Atiku, that a lot of people thought, let me say some set of people thought maybe he had calmed down on this matter and they're leaving Peter Obi and our Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu to drag it. My brother, my sister, it's not so anymore. It is not so anymore. It is no longer funny. Now Atiku has come out to let it to let everybody understand. In fact, he's telling the tribunal to declare him as the president. Now that they have seen it that Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu did not meet up with the 25% vote in FCT in Abuja. No, if we are saying that, let us quickly speak out. This is our opportunity for Yoruba nation to stand out. A lot of people will think we are just blabbing. Right now, it's no longer funny. Funny morara. According to the news reaching us, you are, as you can see by yourself, Atiku is saying, declare me as the president. Can imagine. Declare me as a president. Atiku tells tribunal in final address. Final address right now. That means the latest now is Atiku itself is not ready to leave it for Peter Obi. According to waiting, then they tell us, as you can see on your screen, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Atiku Abubakar, has asked the presidential election petition court to declare him the winner of the February 25th presidential election, having won in 21 states. He said at least he win for 21 states, including the FCT. And the person who no win for FCT, now come make him president, know that Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu must leave that seat. And this was as he stated that the winner announced by the Independent National Electoral Commission, Bola Tinubu, was not qualified to contest the election in the first place. Now we are saying, make Baba use the opportunity, declare Yoruba nation. Baba see the drag. Some people think say na joke. Some people will be say they don't know waiting they sup. They won't be say at least maybe Baba shall give them money. We know what's up. Now I've said it before. Yoruba people don't hate Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We don't hate him. But what is actually going on with Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu is what the people, the Yoruba people, don't want. It's what they hate. And they have seen it all. That as far as this one Nigeria is concerned, we cannot favor even Baba Tinubu himself as the president, except we want to deceive ourselves. No, a lot of things had actually earlier been said that as far as this 1999 constitution remains. This same constitution owned by the Fulani government, the Northerners. One of the agitators earlier said it, that script lásán ni gbogbo wọn máa kà níbi tán wà, pé script ni bàbá kínní, anybody tó bá wà níbẹ̀, Àtíkù o, tÁtíkù kò bá wọlé script ló fẹ́ lọ kà, tí Peter Obi tí gbogbo wọn pariwo bá wọlé ó fẹ́ lọ kà script ni, tí bàbá Bọ́lá Ahmed bọ́n ṣe wà níbẹ̀ yẹn script ló ń kà, kò ń ṣẹjọ́ bàbá. ẹ bá pariwo láti sìn dọ̀la, nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Baba, my brother, my sister, except you love the way you are suffering, that's when you say, okay, let's continue with one Nigeria. Now they were telling us some youth apprehended some kidnappers just 24 hours ago in the Yoruba land. The kidnappers that have been disturbing the peace of the land. I want you to mú wọn. At the end of it all, kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀? Wọ́n gbé wọn lọ sí police station. Àwọn èèyàn dẹ̀ ti fohùn lẹ̀ pé àwọn tó yẹ kẹ́ lù lóògùn, tó yẹ kẹ́ lù wọ́n ní nǹkan, tó yẹ kẹ́ dè wọ́n, kẹ́ gbá wọn nǹkan, ẹ wá tún lọ ń fi wọ́n lẹ̀ fún àwọn ọlọ́pàá. At the end of it all, kí ló fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀? Àwọn ọlọ́pàá wọ́n á tún release wọn náà ni. Ibi tí problem wà nìyẹn. Ó láwọn kankan tá a máa sọ lédè Yorùbá, ó yé yín. Pé àwọn tó yẹ pé kẹ́ lù ní nǹkan, kẹ́ lù lóògùn, ẹ wá lọ ń fi wọ́n lẹ̀. Tó pé at the end of the day gan, wọ́n máa tún fi wọ́n lẹ̀ náà ni. Well, that's not where I am even going to. No, we have overflocked all this, the situation on ground. That is why Baba Bola Ahmed Tinubu himself, not that he does not want to help the Yoruba people to stop this insecurity. It's something he would have sent people. Go there, send some police soldiers and the rest of them. Go and secure my people. The kidnap is too much. As a president, if things are actually working the way it's supposed to work, it's something that he can do. This is to tell you that na script baba go there go dey read o. Nǹkan tó ti kọ́lẹ̀ ló ń kàn lọ ń kà pé òkè o, nǹkan tó ilẹ̀ máa ṣe rẹ̀, ẹ má wọlé a máa ṣe. We have said it times to that number. Some people will think we are just blabbing. And as you can see right now, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, according to what a lot of them are saying, that is not going to be their president. Meaning, any moment, wọ́n máa yọ bàbá kúrò. Àwa dẹ̀ tún tẹnu mọ́. Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ fẹnu sí. Kí bàbá tiẹ̀ fi opportunity kan fi bá wa declare Yoruba nation. Nobody is saying anything. I know some set of people have, the mind. I don't know. The set of bloggers that call themselves Asiwaju blogger, right? I saw their picture going viral and everything, but I don't know what they are actually blogging. I don't know. That's exactly where the problem is. Everybody is out there to eat and go. Selfishness. They believe that they cannot tell him the truth. If they try to tell him the truth, maybe they will stop giving them money, or they will not be able to make money. But right now, nothing. The Bible says, you shall know the truth. The truth shall set you free. We need to tell ourselves the truth. I know some sort of people will be like, Abegi, what you are saying is nonsense. Who told you that Bola Ahmed Tinubu is leaving that place? Baba gan ti fohùn lẹ̀ pé tẹ́ bá lọ try ẹ̀ pé fẹ́ yọ mí, a máa dáyan pọnyanrin sílẹ̀ ni, a máa ba everything jẹ́ ni, because baba gan don know say ó dàbí kò sure. Ìwọ tó wà lẹ́yìn tó mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń lọ, òun sọ pé a kàn ń sọ nǹkan tó ń wà. We know what we are saying so that they will not say we didn't say anything, because we have the opportunity, we have the voice, we have the platform to make, even if it is 5-10 people that we hear it, is something. At least from that 5-10 people, if they share it, this one will tell the other person that nǹkan tó tún ṣẹlẹ̀ ń sìn rèé o, as it is, so that's just what it's all about. We must say the truth. We must keep saying the truth. Nobody is paying us to do anything. Some people the other time they were like, it's like they have paid this guy, this one that is against so and all that. Nobody paid me for anything. But when we see the truth, we must say it the way it is. It is so painful. if you can see the way I am projecting this, I'm projecting it because we have overflogged this, and then some people are still quiet. And exactly what it is right now, this one I am going to read to you will shock you. We are talking about the fact that they are working with 1999 constitution. Some set of people thought we're just blabbing. Now they have said it that Baba no win 25% of FCT, Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. And if you don't win them, according to the constitution, which is final, if he be president. Now, all these people, they're no joke. Peter Obi won 25% in Abuja. Atiku cleared it. Then they are not like, person we no can clear them, come become president for waiting happen. We died there. That is why we are just saying it that Yoruba nation must be declared. Either they like it or not. Baba must do something. Well, let me just take this part, then you understand what I'm talking about. That same 1999 constitution. All right, hear what Atiku just said. Okay, as you can see on your screen, the petitioners have established that the return of the second respondent as the winner of the presidential election held on the 25th day of February 2023 was unlawful and unconstitutional, having not secured 1/4 of the valid votes cast in the FCT Abuja as required by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended. So ti yé yín sìn, ẹ̀rù pọ́n bá yín ṣeré àbí? You think say these people they play? They know they joke with this 1999 constitution, the amended one at that. Hey, my brother, my sister, we should not just keep deceiving ourselves. As you can see, everything that is what they are following. Baba nkan long ka script in the 1999 constitution. You walk on to battle they follow you will be shooting yourself in the leg. Oh my man, you born for a So as it stands right now, if we know what is good for us, you see this same 1999 constitution, they don't joke with it, and that is what Atiku is following, that they must declare him as president or else it won't work. Don't let anybody deceive you at all. That lie, wọ́n sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀gbẹ́ni. No wonder that musician sang that song. Àwọn àbókì wọn ti ẹ̀já, wọn kì í ka paper ni, wọn kì í wo tẹ́lì ni. My brother, my sister, read the paper. Everything dey inside paper. In fact, this one that I just read to you now from Punch. When Punch tells you this is it, my brother, my sister, no joke. Punch, Vanguard, the rest of them, ma fi ṣeré. They tell you something. That's why the wise ones are like, let Baba Tinubu just wake up and declare Yoruba nation jejely and wirely, so that everybody go in separate ways. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ká rí o. Àwọn Yorùbá máa sọ pé ìyá méjì ò gbọdọ̀ jòkú gbẹ. Ọlọ́run ṣàánú wa. Well, my brother, my sister, this is exactly what it is. On to this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.